Hi, my name is Pranab. I am the academic head of Cloud Tutor. Come to one more interesting topic. Uh, Competition Commission of India has ordered probe against Google. Okay. Now, in fact, if you look at Competition Commission of India has, it started opening probe against all these big tech firms. Okay, let it be Google, Twitter, Amazon, Flipkart, and you just name it, and they are there in the antitrust issues. Okay, now what this talks about, so we'll just try to take Google as an example and understand that everything is very much connected to the other firms as well. You talk about Amazon or you talk about other firms. Okay, now there is a violation of antitrust. Violation of antitrust means that we trusted you that you will do business in this right manner, but when you do not do that, it is called as violation of antitrust. So that means you try to break the trust of that economy. Okay, that is what in simple sense means. Okay, now this particular case talks about the smart TV operating system. Okay, so what is operating system? Smart TV, all of you know that. In case if you are able to use your internet in your TV, to some extent that can be called as a smart TV, because it is not traditionally based on your cable connection which used to come and used to look at those limited number of channels. Okay, now you can access internet, you can see YouTube, or you can see Netflix and other things. Okay, now what this comes out to be that if you look at Google, and original equipment manufacturer, OEM, is basically original equipment manufacturer. Now, any company, that means if you take Samsung, you take Nokia, you take Sony, you take LG, these are all called as original equipment manufacturer, because they manufacture these products. Okay, so they are called OEM. In fact, if you go and try to buy some of the spare parts where the company name will be just written as OEM. So OEM is fundamentally that company itself has manufactured that spare part, right? So that means if you want to go and buy a remote of your TV, so you will find that packing of that remote itself is in the form of OEM. So you will say, which company is this? So it is basically that same company that manufacture that remote for you. Okay, so that way. Now what is this agreement talks about? Google has what smartly done is that they have been forcing these the companies to get into two types of agreement, which helps them to the future monopolistic position. Okay, so let us understand this, what two agreement talks about. First is television app distribution agreement. Now what this means is that in simple sense, this agreement means that when you are going to get into agreement with Google, what it says that when you use our platform or our algorithm in that scenario, whatever apps comes along with it, you need to install that in the TV without subtracting that you don't require this, or you this is not required another thing. So it is in the same sense you can understand that the problem what you used to have. So previously cable TV used to give you all those 30-40 channels, right? They used to provide you all those 30-40 channels or hundreds of channel regional channels and these channels which were not used by you, and unnecessary it was cluttering your complete volume, right? That is whatever the space which was there in the TV or the bandwidth of the cable network. So it was completely blocking that. In the same way, Google is saying that you take all these apps of us, right? That is what idea comes out with. So first agreement is this. So in this way, they can promote some of the apps which is indirectly going to help Google. So take an example like Google Pay, right? Google Pay, if there is an app which by default gets, so your payment gateway by default becomes Google Pay, right? So tomorrow you will not appreciate having a banking gateway of SBI, right? So that is how the penetration of these apps is taking place in your life. Second comes out of that Android also, Google also said that you are not going to make any customization changes in the algorithm of Android. So that means second agreement says Android compatibility commitment. So that means if I say that Sony says that some of my functions are not very compatible with your algorithm, so I will make some tweaking in this. So Google said no, you cannot do any tweaking in this. This is my algorithm, and you please run this algorithm as it is there, right? So that is one comes out. Apart from that, you will also have to learn, or there are two sections which are being very frequently being tested or being reflected in the news articles. What you will see is that section 3 and section 4. Fine. Why this is related? Because when you talk about some of the tech firm, you will find this section coming into picture. Some of the other firm, section 4 coming into picture. So some of these section 3 and section 4 are important in nature, because this is where both of all these tech firms are being hounded on. Okay. Now, section 3 says anti-competitive agreement. So, anti-competitive agreement is what? Anti-competitive agreement is that, imagine if there are two players, imagine there are two players A and B in the market, and A and B says that let us not compete against us. We will form an agreement and we will make a customer pay the higher price. So, take an example now in the telecom company, you have major two players, that is Reliance and Airtel. Now Reliance and Airtel says that why our minimum rental is 200, let us make it to 300. Let the customer pay for it. So now Reliance is also not trying to acquire the customer, because he has also made his base price as 300. Airtel has also made a base price of 300. Now customer do not have the choice to go to A or B. Now in that scenario, customer end up paying 300 rupees per month, and this is basically an anti-competitive agreement. So that means Reliance and Airtel has formed an anti-competitive agreement of saying that we are not going to compete against this, and by default customer is the loser in this complete market, right? So that is what section 3 talks about. So some of the tech firms have been found doing this aspect. So that means they get into this anti-competitive agreement, especially in Amazon like of case. You can see this section is being tested. Okay, then section 4 comes out to be abuse of dominant position. Abuse of dominant position, you can take very simple example, Google, right? You have complete any search you want to do, you just go into Google and you do that, right? Now imagine what happens is that what in simple example the manipulation can take place. You're trying to search for an ice cream. Okay, you're trying to search for an ice cream. So nearby you want to have an ice cream near to your place. Now Google will only pop you those search with the company which has paid to Google, right? So that is, Google is trying to is a dominant position, so it is not offering the neutral positioning to all the shops, right? So if in and around there are some 10 shops in and around, and there are 3 shops which has which has paid to the Google, in that case Google is going to reflect only these 3 shops in the listing, so that the customer by default comes and buy the ice cream from this shop, right? So this is what comes out to be abuse of the dominant position. Now in this case, when you're offering a platform, you should be able to offer equal opportunity to the 10 other players, because somehow Google is able to do their business in this complete market due to that factor, because we have offered the infrastructure, right? So every shop has the right to look forward to having the equal presence on that search engine, right? So that is what comes out with this thing. So most of the time you will realize that section 3 and section 4 has been tested. So understand these 2 things. In case you find any ambiguity you have in this, you can send us a mail, or you can write it down in the comment section. We'll help you out. Right, thank you so much. You can download the PDF from the Telegram aspect, and you can send your queries to the mail which has been mail ID which has been given to you, and you can provide us the feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.